Yeah. See, once again, for the record's sake, sin of a plus b is this one, sin of a minus b is this, and take it as 1 and 2 and add 1 and 2, you get sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b, and this will get cancelled. Therefore, you get a 2 sin a cos b, sin a cos b, 2 sin a cos b. It is nothing but 2 times the first term, yes. Similarly, when you subtract second from first, let's call 1 minus 2. Sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. The 2 times cos a sin b is nothing but 2 times the second term using the same analogy. Using the same logic. Please tell me 1 plus 2 cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. Yes, 2 times the first term. Yes, ma, please. Who will tell this?
2 cos A cos B.
Brilliant, brilliant. 2 times the first term. Minus, yes, cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b, ma, please. Can you go? Yeah, please.
2 sin A sin B.
கொஞ்சம் நீங்க திங்க் பண்ணுங்க ப்ளீஸ். ஜஸ்ட் கொஞ்சம் லைட்டா கொஞ்சம் மாடரேட் ஆல்டர் பண்ணுங்க கொஞ்சம்.
Minus 2 sin A sin B.
That's beautiful. That's brilliant. எதுக்கு நம்ம ப்ளீஸ் ஜஸ்ட் கொஞ்சம் பாருங்க, ஃபார்முலா பாருங்க. cos of a plus b ஓட ஃபார்முலா என்னப்பா ப்ளீஸ் டெல் மீ.
Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B.
Wow, brilliant. See, இப்ப பாருங்க. This is your first term. 2 times the first term. This is your second time with sin. இங்க பிளஸ் இருக்குது, அதனால 2 times plus 2 times cos a cos b. Cos a sin b. Here 2 times plus இருக்குது, 2 times cos sin a sin b. Cos b. Here பாருங்க please. Cos of a plus b is the first term, second term with sin, ma, please. First term with sin. Plus 2 cos a cos b minus 2 sin a sin b ds. பாருங்க please. Friends, sir, இதுல இருந்து நமக்கு என்ன வர போறதுன்னா சொல்றேன். வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க. Now I just do the reverse job, please. 2 sin a cos b, 2 sin 4x cos x, please. Cos 2x, yes, cos 2x. Or cos x doesn't matter, cos x. Can you please tell me the reverse of it, ma? This is what I am writing now. Equals to, come on, tell me, yes. This one a, this one b, ma. Come on, tell me, yes. Sin of
Sin 4x plus x.
Sin 5x.
5x.
Sin
3x.
That's all. Why? Sin of a plus b, 4x plus x, 5x. (4x minus x), a plus b, a minus b. Are you all getting this?
Yes, sir.
Wow, that's it. That's amazing one, yes. Next, paranga. 2 cos 3x and sin x, ma. Come on, tell me. Do you agree, ma?
Yes, sir.
A is 3x and b is x, ma. Purida?
Yes, sir.
That's all. 2 cos a, 2 cos 3x, sin 4x minus sin 2x. Simple? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, இதுல என்ன யூஸ்னா this is called பாருங்க நீங்க this formula name is called this formula's name this formula name is called transformational formula. Transformation formula. What is this transformation is happening here, dears? The transformation is here, ma. This is the multiplication, dears. Product is there, yes or no? The product is transformed into addition. Product is transformed into subtraction. That is called transformation from one sign to another sign. So, how to convert trigonometric product is sometimes difficult for us in integration and differentiation. In integration and differentiation. Therefore, we need this transformation formula. Sum and difference is easier to handle than product. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Sum and difference are easier to handle than multiplication. Appa vandu namma we will be using this transformation formula. Mr. Arpit, you must be
Yes, sir.
When you do integration particularly, you need transformation formula. People are struggling in 12th standard because 11th standard math is weak, particularly trigonometry. You ask 12th students, they say that 12th math is difficult. Why? Because 12th math is not difficult. The 11th math foundation is not there. If you are good at 11th math, 12th math, you will just like that, you will do only the new or 10-15 minutes you can learn your integration and differentiation of this. What is required is trigonometry. That's why my first chapter is trigonometry. It will take care of 80% of your mathematics. Yes. Clear, part? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So, transformation formula na idama. Innu koncham polish panna idu. Okay, I just do a little bit. Okay. Ide vandu neenga please you mark this as C ma C. This as D. Hey, listen ma, listen. Sin C plus sin D. If A plus B equal to C ma, A minus B equal to D, my dears. Solve for A and B, add it, 2A equal to C plus D, which implies A is C plus D by 2. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Adhe mari subtract panunga, you get 2B equal to C minus D, which implies D equal to C minus D by 2. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, friends, you take, see this formula, how it transforms now, please. Just let us pair mark for just this is fantastic formula. You can remember this. This is இன்னும் modify பண்ணுங்க easy-ஆ. Whichever is better, you take it. I don't say anything. Sin C plus sin D, dear. Sin C plus sin D. What do you get, ma? 2 sin. சொல்லுங்க.
C plus D
by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Do you agree?
C minus D by 2.
Yeah, I think you are not able to see now. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Name dear, nothing, I am not doing anything, ma. Sin C plus sin D equals to 2 sin A. A is C plus D by 2. B is C minus D by 2. That's all, yes. Ninga, if you are happy with this, you please keep it with you. This is fantastic. இவங்க திருப்பி பேர் மாத்த சொல்றாங்க. Okay? அதே மாதிரி sin C minus sin D. Preeti, tell me, Betty. Preeti? இங்க இருக்கமா, இங்க இருக்கு. Sin C minus sin D ma. Yeah, please tell me.
2 cos C plus D by 2 into sine C minus D by 2.
Brilliant, ma. Brilliant. Very good. Very good. 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sine C minus D by 2 pi. Excellent, pa. Very good. That's brilliant. Same way. Arpit, can you tell me dear in the formula, please?
For cos, sir.
இப்போ இதுக்கு இது சொல்லுங்க. Cos C plus cos D ma.
Yes, sir. It will be 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2.
Brilliant, sir. Cos C minus cos D, Kavi.
minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin
Okay.
C minus D by 2.
Brilliant, ma. Idama. This is where we have a problem, ma, because minus is here. That's all, yes. That's all. Pa. These are called transformation formulae. Pa. These are called transformation. What is transformation? Na? The product is transformed. Transformed into sum or difference, ma. Sum or difference. That's why they are called transformation formulas. Transformation formulae. Yes. Is it okay?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, pa. Right. So with this, ma, Jivit, welcome to the class here. You are coming very late, pa. Maybe your class is getting now over, I think, right? Right. So with this, I think you can. I'll ask some questions. Please tell me. Sin 5x and sin x, ma. Can you please tell me now using this? This is called CDS. Yes, please. One of you can take the
2
lead.
sin 3x cos
2
2x.
2 sin 3x, ma, and
Cos 2x.
brilliant, very good. Okay, hold on. Preeti, can you tell me, dear, for this? Yes, please.
Oh, sir. 2
Yes,
cos 3x
Yeah.
and sin 2x.
Great, thank you very much. Arpit?
Yes, sir. It will be.
Wait. Yeah.
It will be 2 cos 3x into cos 2x.
Cos 2x. Brilliant. Very good. Jivit, can you make an attempt here? You joined late, but use this formula. Use this formula. C is here 5x, D is 1x. Come on. Yes, please. Anybody?
Minus 2 sin 3x sin 2x.
Sin 2x. That's all. Yes, that's all. These are just examples for handling these 4 formula. Amazing ones, amazing ones. Now you need to track how many formulae we wrote totally, but nothing. Okay. This is nothing but what, 3x plus 2x, right? This is called sin A plus B, ma. A is B, ma, right? This is A plus B. This is A minus B. A plus B. All right, come on. But what is need of the hour is that Instead of telling A plus B here, A minus B here, he is writing another way called C and D. Okay, right? So they are not different. Already we handled them. Please understand this. Okay. Right. Now, திருப்பி உங்களை கன்ஃபியூஸ் பண்றதுக்காக எல்லாம் ரப் பண்ணிட்டு I will be writing some more this அதே ஃபார்முலா வந்து கொஞ்சம் டிஃபரெண்டா சொல்ல போறேன். நீங்க ஷஃபிள் பண்ணி கேட்க போற. Please let me see who will answer this. Yes. 2 cos x cos y. Come on, anybody? Yes. Sorry, I think you are not able to see. Yeah. Yeah. One of you, please.
Cos x plus y plus cos x minus y.
Brilliant part. Cos x plus y plus cos of x minus y. Good answer. 2 sin x and cos y, please. Anybody?
So it will be sin x plus y plus sin x minus y.
Brilliant, sir. Brilliant. Thank you. 2 cos x sin y. Jimit, I know you joined late, but anyway, come on, tell me.
Sir,
Yeah. Okay, you have a problem. Right, ma. Preeti, can you tell me, dear? Kavi?
Sin x plus y minus sin x minus y.
Sin of x plus y minus sin of x minus y. Brilliant, ma. Very good. Minus 2 sin x sin y, ma. Yes.
cos a plus b minus cos a minus b.
A ma, A or x and y pa. A badala x and y mark paruga. You observe it.
X, sir.
Tell
X
me, ma.
plus y
Yeah, cos
cos
of
x
x
plus y minus
Yeah.
cos of a minus b.
X minus y. Brilliant, ma. Very good. That's all. But friends, here, suppose if I don't do minus here, I simply write 2 sin x sin y. What do you do, ma?
Minus of cos x plus y.
Yeah. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Sometimes, see once again, one more question. I will tell you cos x into cos y. ரெண்டு 2 கொடுக்கலப்பா. அப்ப என்ன சொல்ல போறீங்க சொல்லுங்க please. Cos x cos y. How do you write the formula?
Cos x plus y plus cos x minus y divided by 2.
So half, correct?
Yes, sir.
That's all. That's all, please. So in the small variations, now problems vரும். அவ்வளவுதான் dear. Please take this all these things. I think we can start working on problems now. Shall I rub it, ma, over? Have you taken?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, I just want to test you, please. Part of A plus B dx. Can anybody give the formula for this one, please? It's a very tricky one now, that's why I'm writing this. Part of A plus B. Tan of A plus B. Come on. Then go to first. Tan A. Come on, tell me.
Tan A plus tan B divided
Yes.
by 1 minus tan A tan B.
If somebody can make an attempt for this. எல்லாமே வந்து cot of A plus B 1 by tan of A plus B, correct?
Yes, sir.
அது பண்ணா என்ன வரும்? Please, can you please make a formula and tell me quickly, please? Any one of you, please? All of you try it and tell me, please. So this is how it becomes mark. Cot B plus cot A, cot A, cot B minus 1 mark. This is how the beautiful formula. Plus minus, plus super minus niche. Here minus upper and plus niche. See the difference, my dears. See the difference here. Product is niche, product is upper. That's the difference, my dears. I hope it's clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Same way, what is tan of A minus B, dears? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the formula for tan or cot of A minus B, dears? Follow formula. Cot A, cot B.
Cot A cot B plus 1 by cot B minus cot A.
That is very important, sir. How does it make, sir? When plus இருக்கும்போது நீங்க எப்படி இருந்தாலும் it doesn't matter, ma. Keeping this in mind, I am writing B first, A next, ma, please. Cot B plus cot A, cot B minus cot A. That is very, very important for making cot of A minus B. இது ஜாகிரதையா பாருங்க. இதுதான் கொஞ்சம் contentious one. I mean, a little tricky one, where we may do some mistake here. Okay. ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லான இது ஃபார்முலா. இது நீங்க டிரைவ் பண்ணுங்க, ஃபீல் பண்ணுங்க, then you will never forget in life, okay? லாஜிக் புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. நீங்க லாஜிக் புரிஞ்சுட்டு நீங்க ஒரு வாட் பண்ணா நீங்க அடுத்த டைம் வந்து அந்த மேப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஓகே, யூ மேப் இட், மெமரி மேப்பிங் னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஓகே, அது பண்ணுங்க, you never have a problem with this. Right. Shall I rub now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let me recall some more formula which I did, please. Let us see. What is tan 3A? Can you tell me here? What is tan 3A? My most difficult formula. Then you have a sin 3A. Then you have a cos 3A. And also you should get the tan 3A from sin 3A and cos 3A. இந்த கொண்டு வாங்க, derive பண்ணுங்க, please. See, நம்ம வந்து கிளாஸ்ல எல்லாமே பண்றதுக்கு முடியாதுமா, please. You should ask it as a doubt, my dears, but we don't do it. நிறைய இருக்குது ஆக்சுவலா. சார் இந்த டெரிவேஷன் எப்படி சார் எப்படி கேட்கலாம். அது எப்படி நீங்க ட்ரை பண்ணி கேட்டா then there will be a what's a purpose. Oh, can you please tell me, Preeti, what is sin 3A here? Can you please tell me my formula sin 3A? Sin 3A. Preeti. Arpit.
Yes, sir. It's wait, sin 3A, sir.
Hold on. Again, tell me please come back.
Yeah. It's 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A.
3 sin A minus 4
Sin cube
all
A.
signs, all signs, all cos, reverse it. 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Sorry, correct. What about tan 3A, please, Kavi? Kavi,
I don't know, sir.
anybody? Anybody? Preeti?
Sir, we'll just do sin by cos, sir, and we'll get it.
No, you cannot do that now. If it will take at least 5 minutes to do it, you should remember the formula. What is that?
No, I mean, it'll basically be like 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A divided by 4 cos cube A minus 3 sin A.
No, you
That's
cannot
all.
say. No, that's the procedure. That's how you should start the derivation. But I want the in terms of tan. Array sine in terms of sine, cos in terms of cos, tan in terms of tan. Come on. In terms of tan, in terms of sine, in terms of cos. Come on. The 3 is a beautiful number. 3 tan A minus tan cube A by, this is the only formula, both minus 1 minus 3 tan square A, tan power 1, tan power 2, tan power 3. Wow, see this. This is how, it's definitely this formula is a notorious one. You should make an effort. You need to write the formula twice or thrice. Logic. Tan 2A formula is 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A, correct? Minus, of course, tan A plus tan A minus, okay? Tan A plus tan A. Plus 1, minus 1. But 2 minus, that is a beauty. Please. Purida, okay?
Yes, sir.
Right. So with this now, we don't have anything left, you can straight away do all the questions. Yes. Now it is up to you to ask me the questions from the textbook. Yes. Come on. Take the textbook. Take the textbook and ask me the doubts. Yes. Questions you could ask me, please. The amazing questions are there. Page number 73, exercise number 3.3. Yeah. Yes, please. Yes.
Sir, 10 to 1.
10th one, okay. 10th one. Great. 10th one. It's not a big question mark, it's a very, very simple one. Please, if you write the question, you will understand. While writing itself, you understand it. 10th one. Sine of n plus 1 into x. This is the angle mark. This is the angle, yes. Sine n plus 1 into x into sine n plus 2 into x. This is the angle mark. Plus cos n plus 1x into cos n plus 2x. Yes. So prove that equal to cos x. Prove cos x. This is the RHS, yes, and this is the LHS 9. Yes. Do you agree, ma?
Yes, sir.
You have to prove it, right? Yes. Please watch here. Yes. This is called A. Can I take my sine A? This is called sine B, yes.
Yes, sir.
What is the formula for sin A
Sin A, sin B,
sin B plus cos A plus
cos,
B?
cos B.
இல்லைன்னா புரியலன்னா இப்படி எடுத்துக்கோங்க, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Do you agree?
Yes,
So
sir.
what is this formula, please? Anybody? Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is what now?
Cos A minus B, sir.
Cos of A minus B. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
A equal to n plus 1 into x and B equals to n plus 2 into x. My x ke edukku difference kammiya irukum, and that's my, we can't change the habit at this age. Okay, yes, I am trying to change, but yes, I think you are making the difference, correct? See, my A is n plus 1 into x minus n plus 2 into x ma. Okay, right. Actually on the square bracket போடக்கூடாது, போட்டாலும் தப்பு கிடையாது, but anyway, right. Yeah. Cos of, expand பண்ணுங்க இது, nx plus, இல்லைன்னா x காமன் எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Okay, x you take common ds, n plus 1 minus n plus 2. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
X, n cut, 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is cos of minus x ma, please?
Cos X.
Cos x. Why? Why, Kavi? What is the reason for cos? What about sin of minus x ma?
Minus sin X.
Brilliant, sir. What about tan of minus x, sir?
Minus tan X.
Brilliant. That's the reason, please. Here, tan follows the sin. Correct? Tan follows the sin. Friends, sir. Cos of edukuma, why cos of minus x is cos x ma? Can anybody tell? This reasoning ma, this reasoning illana.
It's in the fourth quadrant, sir. That's why.
Fourth quadrant. Brilliant, dear. Brilliant ma, brilliant. See ma, if I go, this is my angle x na first quadrant ma. If I bring the angle in this rotation in this direction, same x but minus x, my point is in the fourth quadrant, right? This is in the first quadrant. Fourth quadrant, cos is negative. Minus x make panna, I am in the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant on the cos is positive, sin is negative, tan is negative, my dears. That's all. That's all. What a brilliant idea, Paul. Please, Apart. Yes, got it, ma. Over. RHS.
Yes, sir.
Say this. RHS is cos x. Is it not simple, dears? It appears, ma. It appears in the beginning, ma. Romba edo perusa edo different theriyudhu namakku vandu, because it's the first time we are handling it. Adi sin A sin B cos A cos B andra question mavula. That's about 10th one, ma, please. Any other question, dears? Please go for it. Note down this, ma. Note down this first. These are the inputs, ma, please. Take it for 1 minute. Yes, please. Shall I move further? Any other question mark chosen? Yes. Okay, pa. Another question pannalam pa. We will take a. Which question do you want, Soluma, please? We have done 10th one now over. Shall we go for 11th one, ma? 11th one, paranga. Koncham edo different ah theriyadu, but it's not a difficult one as it is. It's not difficult, but still we will do it. Or if you try it and ask me tomorrow, it's fine. Anyway, we will do it. 11th, ma, 11th. Prove that, okay? Once again, LHS cos 3 pi by 4 minus x. Minus x or plus x? Plus x. Minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x. Okay. What is the RHS, ma? RHS is given as minus root 2 sin x. Formula, please. Friends, yeah, can anybody give an idea for this, ma, please? Please. Please try it, ma. I'll keep quiet. Yes,
So we will
please.
use that cos A plus B minus cos A minus B formula.
Brilliant, yeah. That's all, yeah. That's all. Cos of A plus B minus. What is the formula here? Come on, tell me. Cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B. What is the formula for this? Yes. 2 times the second term.
So the minus 2 sin A
minus
sin
2
B.
sin A sin B.
Brilliant. Minus 2 sin A sin B. Minus 2 sin A sin 3 pi by 4 into sin B sin x over. What is sin 3 pi by 4? Ma? Please, anybody? 3 and 4, what is the difference? Ma? 1. Sin pi minus pi by 4. Ma. See, 3 by 4 is nothing but what? 1 minus 1 by 4. 3 pi by 4. Ma, it is called pi minus pi by 4. They are not particular. I hope it's clear. So sin pi minus pi by 4, ma, pi here come on, sin is sin only. Sin pi by 4, this is second quadrant. Second quadrant, the sign is positive. So it is minus 2 sin pi by 4 into sin x. Do you agree, yes? What is sin pi by 4 value?
1 by root 2.
1 by root 2 into sin x. 2 by root 2 minus 2 by root 2 is root 2 sin x. That's all, yes. That's all, yes. I hope it is clear. Simple, right?
Yes.
Nice, right? Preeti, are you able to follow? Preeti? Okay. Is it over, ma? Enough? One more question, please. If you have taken this, please note down and I give it 1 minute time and we will go for the other question. If you have a question, you can ask me number or else I will do it my own way. Yes, you are free to ask the question. Try to ask the difficult ones, yes. Yes, please.
Sir, 25.
Question number 25. You have gone to the last. Okay, done. We'll do it. So all of you take this one, take this and $25. Right? Brilliant question. My last question is amazing one, man. You can do by either RHS to LHS or LHS to RHS. Either way you can do it, but we will do both the methods if you wish. Right. Question number 25, please. LHS cos 6x, cos of 6x. RHS, very long. Can you read out, Kavi?
Yes, sir. 32 cos power 6x minus 48 cos power 4x
Yes.
plus 18 cos square x minus 1.
Wow, wow. I think you are all able to see, right? Board is clear.
Yes, sir.
The entire thing you are able to see, right? Any problem is there, you could address. Please, yeah. But that's it, I think. I think you are able to get maximum, but not very clear, I think, right? Right, okay, done. Friends, என்ன ஃபார்ம் LHS எடுத்துட்டு இது கொண்டு வரலாம். Okay, not an issue at all. RHS எடுத்துட்டு இது கொண்டு வரலாம். Not an issue at all. Let us take LHS as a formal case. As a regular case, we will take LHS and get the RHS. See, Manama, cos 2x formula நமக்கு தெரியும். What is the cos 2x formula? Yes, there are 4 formulae for cos 2x. All of you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
What are those 4 formulae? Both cos, number 1, cos and sin. Number 2, only cos. Number 3, only sin. Number 4, tan. See, these are the 4 formulae, dears. Cos square x minus sin square x. 2 cos square x minus 1. 1 minus 2 sin square x. 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. இந்த மாதிரி 4 formula இருக்குமா, please. Let us see here. Just think about this, please. All are good, all are good. But this is what we need. The need of the hour is only cos. In RHS formula. RHS, give a look at RHS. Yes, you have only cos in the RHS. Yes. Yes or no? This
Yes,
is
sir.
called 4 formula இருக்குமேங்க. 4 formula வந்து எந்த formula choose பண்ணணும்ன்றது it all depends on your. You can take any one formula at the end also you can do it, but the best way is that you can plan it well if you have look at RHS. Friends, here cos 2x is what now 2 cos square x minus 1 ds. Okay, can you tell me what is cos 4x, please, Arpit?
It would be 2 cos 2x. 2 cos square 2x minus 1.
Brilliant, that's great. What about cos 6x, please?
So it would be 3x.
That's all, please. That's all, please. It all depends on which is, but still cos 6x வந்து I can write cos 6x can be written as cos 2 into 3x ds. Do you agree, ma?
Yes, sir.
So let me take like this, ma. Cos 2 into 3x இது வந்து நீங்க a ன்னு எழுதிக்கோமா a 3x அல்லது a ன்னு எழுதிக்கோங்க ப்ளீஸ். இப்ப பாருங்க எவ்வளவு ஈஸியா இருக்கு பாருங்க. cos 2a. Do you agree, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please. All of you listen carefully, watch, listen, and try to understand now, please. Focus. Cos 2a our formula is 2 cos square a minus 1. All of you agree? 2 cos square a. A means what? 3x minus 1, yes. 2 cos 3x whole square. Can you write right? Square can be minus 1. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
So now, friends, if you want, take these things, you take it, go for, if you want, just have a look at one beautiful thing. Friends, now cos 3x of formula is what, ma? Cos 3x of formula 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x whole square minus 1. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 2 into, please. This is called A. This is called B. A minus B whole square. A square plus B square minus 2A B. That's all, yes. Oh. There is, இது expand பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் what is there, ma?
Minus 1.
Minus 1 is there. 2AB. B is what, ma? 3 cos x bracket and minus 1 here. Do you agree, ma? Now is it clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 2 அப்படியே வைங்க. இது கொஞ்சம் பார்த்துக்கோங்க. 16 cos power 6x. Do you agree? Cos cube oda power என்ன 2. Cos cube x whole square is cos power 6x. Plus 3 square is 9 cos square x. Ma. Yes, Jivit. 2 into 4, 8. 8 3s are 24. Minus 24, ma. 8 3s are 24. Cos power 4x minus 1, ma. That's all, ma. Okay, inga the bracket. Ipa, okay, I think one more step I can afford to write. 32 cos power 6x plus 18 cos square x minus 48 cos power 4x and minus 1. Please see this. Is it the same as this or not? Please. 32 cos power 6x. Able to see, I think, right?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to? 32 is here. 32 is here. Minus 48 cos power 4x. 18 cos square x. Minus 1. Minus 1 here. That's all, yes. Hence proved, ma. This is LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. That's all, yes. Clear? What an amazing question for you. இப்படி பண்ணலாம்.
Question, sir.
Yeah, please.
Just a general question, sir. Cos 3a, can it also be represented in terms of sign?
Because you see your plan, that's what I said. Your plan is this, okay? Your
Yes, sir.
result.
No, sir. I got it, sir. In this problem, it's obvious that we have to use cos, but I'm just asking, can it also be represented in sign, the cos 3a?
No. Cos 3a, you can, but it's a difficult. Why should you want? See, sin in terms of sin, cos in terms of cos. You want to
Yes,
make
sir.
a difficult. You can write it. You can.
But it's not used mostly, right?
It's not used. This itself we are struggling. There's no use. See, they are telling the easier tools. You should follow them, right? Should follow easier ones, not the difficult ones, okay?
Yes, sir.
Right. That's it, Pa. Okay, right? I think we will see, Pa. We'll see the day now. We will say call it a day. What's the time now, Kavi?
7:30, sir.
Yeah, brilliant, Pa. Thank you very much. I think we'll see tomorrow again. Complete 3.3, Pa. Preeti, Jeevit, and Arpit, and all of you complete 3.3, Ma. Submit it in the WhatsApp group. Ma, no problem. I told you I want to see your handwriting every day. Okay, right. So please submit it. Thank you, dears. All the best. God bless you. See you again tomorrow. Pa. Tomorrow I want to say goodbye to 3.3. Pa. Okay, there should not be any question left, any concept left. No formula, please. Is untouched. I'll give a formula test tomorrow. Okay, right.
Okay,
Right,
sir.
my. I'm ending the class,
Thank you,
Ma.
sir.
Thank you very much. God bless you all.